Hello and welcome to Cheap Joe's Art Stuff. My name is Julie and I'm here to impart some knowledge to you today via a 2-minute art tip. And today I want to talk to you because I am your own personal handy dandy art stuff shopper. I'm here to bring you the latest and the greatest on super deals that you may be missing out on. And so because I tend to ignore my precious oil painters, today I want to talk to you a little bit about a hidden gem that you might not know about, and that is Permalba. Now, Permalba is a line of oil paint made by Martin F. Weber, and there's, I think, like 40-some colors in that line, but we only primarily carry their white, their painting white, and it is fantastic. It's actually made primarily from titanium, but also has a couple of other different pigments in it. It's unusual because it has an amazing, smooth, buttery, rich consistency, but has this kind of magic quality of being able to blend easily with almost any brand of oil paint out there. Conventional oils, I mean, you could use it with water-soluble oil, however, it would render it non-water soluble anymore. But Permalba is a great value, you know, because white is one of those go-to colors that you have to have available to you all the time. Permalba is really, really wonderful because you can buy a large quantity of it for almost nothing. It's really, really inexpensive. We have it in a 150 ml tube. We also have it in a 437 ml jar. Right now, we also have a special deal with a 3-tube pack. That's a bargain that you might want to check into. But Permalba is really, really great. It's acid and alkali free, so you don't have to worry about it yellowing or cracking or anything. I know so many of my oil painter friends have this in their toolkit at the ready all the time because it's one of those go-to things that they always have and they just love it. So if you haven't tried before, take a look at some Permalba. We're sure you will enjoy.